So Dr. Max Pharma is a leading Central European private label manufacturer. And at the moment, we are developing a full range of pharmaceutical products for Dr. Max pharmacy chain. Our pharmacies are serving end customers in so far in six Central and Eastern European countries. We have wide range of portfolio across all pharmaceutical segments, including highly sophisticated products like the OTC medicine and some other food supplements and premium cosmetic brands.
The process is that we get the brief, we develop the artwork. Usually we get the brief in Word documents and we develop the artwork, then we compare the Word documents to the PDFs that are developed in the specific designs. After making the PDF documents, like the design artwork documents, we compare whether it's exactly the same with the brief. And when in artwork team we are happy with the results, we move it back to the regulatory team, where it's another level of control. And the regulatory team again goes through the PDF or other formats of the design if they're happy with the result. And then they are shifting it back to us. And then we, in artwork team, we are finalizing the whole round of artwork development assessment. So we talk to the manufacturers and printing houses and etc. And at the end, we have the print proof, which we check again compared to our PDFs, and then we can sign the print proofs and we can develop the products and manufacture the product. So this is the process like before TVT, let's say. Now with TVT, which we implemented, that we do not send the PDFs for the regulatory checkup anymore, because we established a new process that since we have TVT and we are 100% sure that everything that was in Word document is translated into the PDF, we don't need this extra step of regulatory affairs specialist checking and approving that all is correct.
Also, a big help for us is also when we reach the stage of print proofs, because when the final artworks are sent off to our producers or manufacturers, they sometimes, interfere with the artworks, with the final data. And this helped us also enormously because now we can also compare, the final data, the print proofs the print data that we sent with the print proofs that come from the manufacturers. And we've already experienced that there were some changes that were not that we probably wouldn't even notice, because at this stage when we're in the print proofs, we assume that there will be no more mistakes, but we found out that there were actually some, so this helped us a lot. It's all about the details. And for instance, we've discovered this on some of our cosmetic products. And if you have this mistake, it's probably not such a big deal, but it is for us because it's all about the details. And it's small things that we probably wouldn't even notice because we didn't focus on them so much.
All started last year when we realized we need to optimize the artwork development process in our company, because today we have more or less 1,200 SKUs, and we are still growing. And it's not only about launching new products, but we are constantly updating the existing portfolio. Sometimes it's when we want to update the design, and very often it's the regulatory need to update the whatever text or anything on the packaging. So it's a huge amount of products and work, and which is constantly growing.
Yeah, well, definitely the time consumption of the proofreading process decreased from hours to minutes. There's also an assurance that comes with the TBT, and so even the small details that could be overlooked are covered. So yeah, I think that this whole speeds up the process immensely.
It's especially helpful when we are operating in 6 different languages, and we can exclude all the 6 different countries and regulatory specialists from this process for new product development as well as for the product update, proofreading.
So for most of the cosmetic products that we now produce, they have 6 languages. And so, yeah, you can imagine the amount of people that are involved. Because, of course, we have our internal regulatory affairs specialists, and then we have also our regulatory affairs specialists in the countries. So this speeds up the process immensely.
The effect came immediately, like girls gained their confidence. I don't know, maybe the second week, which was great. And they felt like, yeah, okay, we don't need regulatory affairs specialists to cross-check anymore. Like, they just make sure that the texts we receive from regulatory are perfect and they are fine, and we take the responsibility for the rest, because they just gain the confidence very, very quickly, and they cannot imagine their daily routine without TBT anymore.